Today, Year 1, we're going to be learning about Akika. Akika is the special naming ceremony for babies that come from Muslim families. When the baby is born, it is cleaned and dressed. Next, the baby's father says a special prayer in the baby's ear. Something sweet, like date juice, is rubbed across the baby's lips. This is so the baby grows up to have a sweet nature. 7 days after the baby is born, the Akika naming ceremony takes place. The baby is given its name and the baby's hair is shaved off. The baby's hair is weighed, and the same weight of gold or silver is given by the family to charity. The family celebrate by having an Akika party. Some people bring presents and cards. Others may give money in an envelope. Children may even sing a welcoming song for the baby at the party. Now, Year 1, what I would like you to do is to design a card for a baby's Akika. Decorate it however you like.